In the DC mode, we can use this knob, switch this knob to change the speed. The speed is from 0 to 100. You can see this one. And use these two buttons to change the direction. This is reverse, this is forward. And when you want to stop your car, and press this one. And we also have a emergency stop. This one is red. We use the red stop to show in here. And press this one, also the car, all of the car will stop. Okay, right now we introduce the DCC mode. Push the mode switch, and you can see that this one show the blue LED is DCC, and this one also go back to the DCC mode. And DCC mode have very basic loop to display the local and speed and the function. Use the enter to change it. This one is the speed, and next one is the function. Okay, so show you how to control it. The local, choose the local number that you want to control, and press the enter. Go to the speed. The speed have two kind of it. One is the 1 to 28 step. The other is 128 step. So how to change it, these two mode? Just press the button. You can see this one. Right now we change it. We go to the 28. You can see, yeah. Switch the knob. The maximum is 28. If you want to change to the 128, press it again. And right now change it. You can see go. You can switch to 126, the maximum speed, and press again. It go to the 28 step. Okay. On the speed, have two speed mode, and next you press the enter again. It go to the function. The function from F0 to F28. 28. Okay. And you display. You can use this one off and switch to turn it on and off. The on and the green light is the green light is displayed to show you it's on. And if you want to turn on it, just like F22, 28, you just press F. It's no light, it's off. Okay. Except this battery function, the local speed and the function, we also have the CV adjust. You just press this CV function. Just show you, in this mode we use the mainline programming mode to program this decoder on your local. So in this mode, in our command station, you need to know your local number and use this one to CV mainline control mode to adjust your CV mode. It's just show you how to operate it. Press the CV and it go back this one. CV had the green line will line on, and press the enter. Go to the data. So if you want to adjust the just like the 20 from 3 CV3 or CV5, it's other CV value. Just press the CV and adjust, change the knob, and you will go to the just like we want to adjust the CV6, and press again. Enter. You go to the data. Show if you want to adjust CV6 to the 28. Just press enter again. It will program your decoder CV6 to the 28. Everybody knows if we use the mainline programming mode, we need to know the local number. But sometimes if you forget your local number, you want to go back to factory default, we have a special function, use the 1026. This one is the same with other programming mode. Programming track mode is CV8 is 8. This was the same function. So when you go to the use the CV value to go to the 1026 and press again, this one is data change to the 8 and press again. You will see this screen will nothing, and you will go to the number third. It means the local number has go back to the factory default number 3, and everything is go back to the normal, just like the local speed function. Right now it's the same. Okay. Except the CV address, we also have the recode mode and the alert. Just show you the recode. Recode, when you press the recode, you can see go to local number and the recode. It will go back to your right now the local number before about 5 locals. So you can adjust it right now. We adjust the 60, 65 and 284 and 84. And this mode, you can press the local again, it go to the speed, and then it is controlled to the 84. It's the recode.